Thank you for your interest in Arlington's customizable retail flyers. This tutorial is designed to give you a glimpse of how you can utilize these PDFs that are editable to include your own branding, your own company contact information, and your own sell price to share with your end user customers. You'll notice several fields within this PDF are editable. You can click on the click here to upload logo, browse your computer to locate that company logo you wish to insert. At the bottom, you have an editable field where you can put in your company address, phone number, website, or actually any text at all. Now you can go through and add your custom pricing. In this case, we're just going to place some dummy pricing in here. You notice once you have all your pricing complete, that information from the front that you placed on the bottom and your logo automatically are appearing here on the back. Any changes you make to these fields will also be changed in the front. Additional fields for changing and adding additional information like your phone number and any other text can be added to the back as well. Once your customized changes are complete, save the PDF with your changes to your computer. Once you've made those changes, you can simply confirm those changes have taken place by closing that PDF that you've edited and reopening it. Once reopening it, you can confirm that your changes are in place and you can begin using these flyers to sell your products. Thank you for your interest in Arlington's customizable retail flyers and for making Arlington your best source.